guys, it's Zoe
and TJ,
and we're
Sibling Science!
For today's video, we will be doing the
volcano cup experiment.
For this experiment, we will need
a cup,
dish soap,
baking soda,
and white vinegar. Let's get on with it. Put something like a towel under your experiment, and if you can, put gloves on. The first thing we need to do is take our cup and vinegar
and pour it in.
The second thing we need to do is take our baking soda
And pour it in.
Then pour a little dish soap in to make it somewhat blue. And then add more baking soda.
Whoa,
more
that's
bubbles.
so cool! That's the end of today's video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to see more. Bye!